Okay. Okay, guys. Welcome back to another video. We're gonna do some racing with my friend Kate today. She's in my club, Alpha Pony. We're on Chocolate Cupcake server. So, you guys ready to do some races? Okay. Let's get on my horse, Staffy, per usual. And we're gonna do some races. Hopefully without jumps, because, my God. Yeah, so Bobcat's basic track. Okay, just ready? I don't think it's gonna fail, not. Oh my gosh, she's gonna beat me because I don't know the cheats to this race, and I'm just. And do not think I can only have more than. How do you think I bought this Connie Mara from this? No. So I am taking a big cheat right now. She is so beating me. I've never liked that. I don't like to be beat, but my horse is not a good one. She's just so. I mean, she is good. She's just so low level, and I don't take the time to train her. So that's the problem. Like, I don't ever take. Oh my gosh, it's so laggy. Honestly, I think it's because I'm recording. Maybe. Not sure. But it's not laggy. Okay, it's not laggy anymore. Oh my gosh, you won! I'm gonna say it. I'm gonna literally say it to you. You won. Won. Yeah, so she won. So let's do another race. Whole Bentley is gone. Who is she? Hello, why is your horse have no bridle? Like, can we just take a look at that? Like, no bridle. So, let's go to... Okay, let's do the Bobcats track, even though I'm not good at that. And we can do the Bobcats track now. I have some costume here. So, yeah. Let's do the Bobcats track. So, I don't know why I'm beating her at this, but it's just a simple judging factor. Okay, guys, after this race, I know I don't have a lot of video, and there might be part 2 to this video, but make sure to smash that like button and hit that subscribe button too, because you never want to miss another video. I don't know what to call you guys. My followers, my channel, my besties, my team member just lost. So I was happy with him. But yeah, so comment down below what you think I should call you guys. What I think. I can't say stuff today. It's just not my day. And yes, I know my first videos I have not had sound to. That is because, well, I just ordered these headphones. And I just want to say, hope y'all get better. All the ones with coronavirus. I just want to say thank you to first responders and stuff. But especially, stay safe. We're in this together, guys. Maybe people like it, not sure. So, what race do you want to do now? Let's say hey to her. Hey. Hey. Okay, guys, this is Violetta Ravenpark on Alpha Pony. And I'm going to tell her you're in a space. Yeah, she needs to know that you're in a YouTube vid. Sorry, girl. In a YouTube vid. Oop. So let's go to. Okay, let's have her in the vid. You is good. And fit. We're all gonna try this. I haven't maxed my pony yet. Like I'm gonna be second or first. Oh my god, did you guys just I cannot right now. I cannot. What? How am I in third? I understand. How am I in third? Ooh. Did you just miss that? Oof. Oof. That's a hard oof. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, guys. So, there will be a part 2 to this race, just to let you guys know. Don't wonder why it's super laggy. But I will see you guys next time. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay healthy, stay safe. Exactly. Stay healthy, stay safe. Bye, guys.